This week on the Exordia vlog.
Oh, sorry, I stepped on her plants.
Grandma is not going to be happy.
But Isaac's grandma's flowers weren't the only thing being broken.
Did you know that yesterday was Cam's 1 year?
No, it wasn't.
It was. Will Cam's week turn around?
I'm just a single patty. Actually, that's not right. It's not supposed to have a patty on it.
Find out this week on the Exordia vlog, only on YouTube.
Let's go!
Perfect.